Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. Today we are going to go over how to create content using an HTML editor and add an image to it. So first off, you want to make sure you open up your shell, click on content. Then like we did before, after we created the week one, so you want to hit week one, create new, go down to click on create a file. So here we're going to put Brightspace. You want to make a title, so Brightspace. Next, we want to go into Word, and we are going to paste and copy this into the content section. So we will have this for later. We want to paste it. Then next we are going to add an image for this. So you click on that, go to My Computer, so upload, we're going to choose mountain scenery, then open, then add. So for people, so everyone can be included, we are going to put mountain scenery for the words. Click OK, and there's our image. Then after that, next step will be to save. It was created successfully, so next step will be to, if you want to go check on it, go back to content, click on week one like we are, hit Brightspace, and it will open up into, there it is. And that's how you create content using the HTML editor and add an image to it. Hope everyone has a good day. Thank you.